the youth of 1976 fought for their political freedom. Now we must fight for economic freedom.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ukhulume emnyanyeni wokukhumbula ilanga lelutsha lango-1976 wathi ilutsha lanamhlanje ilola ikhululeko yezomnotho.
Iyouth yanamhlanje ayisafani neyouth yakudala. Because iyouth yakudala bekwathula umsebenzi. So thina no youth yano if uhleli anganto ezokwenzeka.
Abantu abatsha bathi ilutsha lango-1976 lalilwela ifundo engcono kodwa bona bayifumene ifundo kodwa kuyabhala naziza ekutheni bathole imisebenzi bazihlomisa ngamakghonofundwa.
You have to be humble yourself. You have to respect people. You have to work more harder. Do some extra training on your own.
Umdlali walokhu we-Orlando Pirates uHappy Jele uthi ukuzehlisa usebenze nzima ngikho kungenza ilutsha ngitsho nesizukulwane sako bona liphumelele. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele Lotshani. Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ubawe abantu abatsha bona balwele ikululeko yomnotho njengelutsha lango-1976. uMashatile wethule ikulumo yelanga ngethungelelwano hlanganiso njengoba ilizwe ligidinga ilanga labantu abatsha ngesiqubulo esithi siraga msinyana ukuchathulula kwelutsha kezomnotho ukuqinisekisa ingomuso elibambelelako nezinye inhlangano zepolitiki zigidinge ilangeli bezahlonipha inkutane zango-1976.
Ilutsha lanamhlanje lukhuthaze bona lifunde elutsheni lango-1976 kanti elutsheni lanamhlanje ukungasebenzi kwabantu abatsha ukungalingani nomhlago betha phezu kwencebe elibhibhidla-ke ebantwini abatsha belizweli.
We remain grateful to the youth of 1976 for their contribution to the social and political transformation of our nation.
uMashatile uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka kahulumende ngokukhula kabuthaka komnotho welizweli uthi abantu abatsha bayahlaga.
We remain concerned that the economy is not expanding at a rate that permits the economic development of a large number of people, especially the youth.
Nakusenjalo eSoweto iPAC neAZAPO zihlonipha abafundi bango-1976 abaholi benhlangano ezibobabili bathi ngemva kweminyaka ema-47 ilutsha liqalene nomraro wakosodiye.
The only way to resolve youth unemployment is when PAC and AZAPO are in charge of this country. No wonder we're here.
It is not right that 30 years into democracy and about 47 years ago, young people are still unemployed as they are, about 70%, that's the correct expanded version of it, unemployed, and the young people are still, languishing in the street as street kids.
Kanti zombili inhlanganwezi zibawa abantu abatsha bona bazibandakanye ekhethweni lomnyaka ozako begodu bazivotele.
Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi abantu abatsha banamhlanje abanalitho abangaligidinga ngelanga labantu abatsha njengoba baragela phambili nokuqalana nokungaphathwa ngokulingana nokuhlogeka komsebenzi. uSteenhuisen ubekhuluma e-East London bewakhuthaza abantu abatsha bona bazihlolisele ukuvota.
iDA ithwenyekile ngesibalo esiphasi sabantu abatsha abazihlolisela ukuvota. Ihlangano leyithi abantu abatsha bangajugulula ingomuso labo ngokuzibandakanya emakhethweni.
What we hope to do is to encourage young people to register. The 18 to 35-year-old bracket is the most under-registered group in the country.
Ukufundisa nokuyelelisa ngokuqakatheka kokuvota ngamanye wamahlelo wehlangano lengaphambi kwamakhetho wango-2024.
We also need as political parties to embark on voter education and what a vote means. Because people say, it does not affect me. No, it does. Whether you're 350, gets an increase or a decrease. It's politics.
Young people to come out and register and vote for change, because change is very important for each and every one of us as young people.
I have a role to play as a young person, because not only do I have to live today, but I need to see whether the environment accommodates my life that I want to live for tomorrow.
Ihlangano leyithi iminyango yayo ivulekile kobana isebenzisa nezinye inhlangano ngemva kwamakhethwa ngomnyaka ozako, kodwa nabatsho nakuyi-ANC ne-EFF zona bayathokoza.
Kanti i-IFP yona ithi ilutsha leSouth Africa lisaqalene nemraro efana nelutsha lango-1976. Iphiko labatsha be-IFP limatshele ema-ofisini kaNdonakulu ePietermaritzburg namhlanje njengengcenye yokuthwaya ilanga labantu abatsha.
Kujame yonke into lokhu abantu abatsha abangena intrada zePietermaritzburg.
Ngizizwa ngathi la eNingizimu Afrika intsha isiqala ukuzitshwa kakhulu. Mase sibuka ama levels of unemployment kuyintsha asemakhulu kakhulu, and siyafunda sibaningi kodwa sihleli emakhaya asitholi imisebenzi.
Ku NSFAS kuneyinkinga eziningi. I-academic calendar they knew very well ukuthi iqala ngoFebruary, batho NSFAS bazongena ngoMarch. Lokho kwenza ukuthi ingane yomuntu onsundu still isacindezelekile.
Abaholi be-IFP bathi ukuvalwa kwenkolo lezi phikisana nalokho kwalo lwalutsha lango-1976. Ilutsha le-IFP lithi lizokudlulisela inlilo zelutsha eParlamente.
Kanti ngokunjalo ne-EFF ithwenyekile ngesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abatsha abaneziqu kodwana abangatholi imisebenzi. Umholi wehlangano le uJulius Malema bekakhuluma umlayezo welanga lalamhlanje KwaZulu-Natal.
Today we can safely say that even the youth which have graduated from institutions of our learning, the universities of technology, the universities and TVET colleges, many of those graduates are still found on the streets, despite the fact that they said if we go to school, we are going to become better people.
Isikhama sabantu abatsha abaneziqu emfundweni zomthetho kodwana abangakhange bafumane umsebenzi bavule iziko lezomthetho lokusiza abantu abacatshazwako ngelwazi lezomthetho. Ilutsha elike ekungele Steenbok hlanu kweMananga eNkomazi eMpumalanga livule iNkomazi Paralegal Service Hub basiza abantu ngokubajamela kezomthetho simahla.
Bamatshela ukulisana nemraro ebhodo umphakathi, ukuhlela kwemisebenzi, ukukhahlumezana ngokobulili nokuthelisana ngenkundla zokuthintana zinto ezibekelwa phambili. Isichema sabantu abaneziqu aba sithethe igadango lokuvula ihlangano engalawulwa mbuso ukusiza ngezomthetho. Bathi babone kufanele ukuthi basebenzise amakhono fundwa wabo kenye indawo efaneleko njengoba nabangathola umsebenzi. Isifundiso seminyaka ema-23 yesi sithi njengoba nehlangano leyisatataya nje iqalene nentshijilo eziningi ekubalwa kizo ukuhlayela kwemali.
We are unemployed, we don't have funding, so we had to go about asking for donations for this thing to happen.
Izikweli lisekelwa nambuso sitshaba obuholi bendabuko bendawo le. Umbuso sitshaba ukholwa bona izikweli lizokuphungula ukuhlayela kwemisebenzi ebantwini abatsha.
Asking donations from other companies to come and assist in terms of donating to help the youth in terms of programs that will empower them, that will bring change.
Imfundiswa zibawe ilutsha bona lithoma ukuza nendlela zokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi.
Nasibuya entolo.
Umjindi Part 3, Sunday 25 June at 8 p.m. When deals go massively wrong.
Amafilimi nemidlalo yomoya yamalimi ebekagandelelwe athoma ukuba nendima emkhakheni wezokulungisa khulukhulu ehlangothini labantu abatsha.
Thina la SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezintshinyako emphakathini wankeno. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News, phimbo lakho isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Siyakwamukela nasanda ukungena usabukele indaba ku SABC 1 sesiNebele. Ilutsha namhlanje alisafani nelango 1976 elamatshela ukuthi livulelwa amathuba alinganako wefundo. La namhlanje selinawo amathuba wefundo kodwa isitshijilo esikhulu kufana imisebenzi okukatelela abantu abatsha namhlanje bona bazivulele amabhizinisi.
Kungesemarimarima phakathi kweveke ilanga lebusika liphumela phezulu kobusika obumakhaza kakhulu. Umiselani Nathan Flow uthokwamkhuthaza bona abe netshisakala emkhakheni wokwakha kuhlogeka komsebenzi nokubhalelwa ukufumana isekelo lokuzibandula njengomuntu oneziqu zebhola maker.
Going to school, I did get my qualifications and I've been applying and applying, but then I haven't received any feedback from most of the companies that I applied to. And then whenever I basically now what I need is a trade test. And then getting it alone, it is very costly. So I need a learnership. I don't have any opportunities in that. I didn't have any luck. So when I saw that I have a skill in construction, that's when I realized, okay, let me just do my own thing and then maybe something will come up.
Umlingana yakhe ngokumsebenzi mumuntu omutsha oneziqu kodwa akawufumana umsebenzi. Ubongani Masombuka wagcina sikumile wavula umsebenzi.
Iyouth namhlanje ayisafani neyouth yakudala. Because iyouth yakudala bebathola umsebenzi. Bekuba namalora azobathatha bayisemafemini emaplasini. So thina no youth yano. If uhleli akunanto ezokwenzeka. So mele uvuke uzithintithe ubone ukuthi wenzani. Ngiyinto engathi nangibhekako ngabona ukuthi okay abantu bayakha every day. Ngabona ukuthi ngcono ngene lapho nami ku business leyo kwakha.
Nanyana izinto ziya ngokuhlukana ebantwini abatsha kodwa inengi solo lila isililo esifanako. Umuletlehi Mathabethe ungomunye nayo semhlagweni kwabo kuseLimpopo kodwa wasuka khona weza eGauteng azokufunda. Kulapho ke afika lemuka indaba yokuvula ibhizinisi eyagcina imbisele ekhaya.
Back in matric, I was part of a mentorship program and my mentor happens to be an entrepreneur in the East Rand. So what happened was I would shadow him during the weekends, and during the shadowing and all of that, I actually got to love the challenges that came with entrepreneurship, like the power, even the freedom. So I've actually kind of like made it my life's mission to actually be an entrepreneur.
Ngendlela engakhona ilutsha namhlanje kufuneka bona lisikime lizithindithe lilisokulinda ngombana naliza solo lilindile liza kulinda bekubaba amehlo.
Kanje ngoba solo siphikelele isililo sokuthi ilutsha liyahlaga abacozilulu balemkisa abantu abatsha ukuthi abathathe ilawulo lengomuso labo njengelutsha lango 1976. Abanye bakholelwa ekutheni uhulumende akanahuluphelo yezepolitiki yokusiza abantu abatsha ngendaba yokuhlokeka kwemisebenzi. I-Ahmed Kathrada Foundation isingethe imali elutsha lokumatshela e-Union Buildings ePitori ukuyokuphandlulula uhulumende ngesililo sabantu abatsha.
At the center of this gathering is to have young people participate in the discussions of our society, to try to bring about new solutions, new ideas into our problems that we are facing.
The right to quality education is a big one. The right to proper health care, the right to an equalized healthcare system, eradication of pit latrines.
Our main objective today is to pray for our leaders, just for them to be a lot more conscious.
Abacozilulu bathi imigomo kahulumende ibhalwele ukuchugululelwa ekuvuleni imisebenzi.
My approach is that government now must start to rethink their macroeconomic policy, because this policy has been applied since 1994, and then it used to work well during the era of Thabo Mbeki, where there was 5% GDP growth. But the challenge with it, even though there were 5% GDP growth, it was not able to create jobs.
Ilutsha elikhuluma amalimi abekathathwa njengamalimi agandelelwako iSiswati nesiNdebele lisikimile lalisa ukubalabala ngokuthi amalimi la akathuthukiswa lazibambela ekorweni yezamafilimi. Namhlanje sekunemidlalo namafilimi ngamalimi amabili lapho ekudosa khona phambili abantu abatsha. Kukunje umdlalo oraga ku SABC 1 uthi umjindi part 3 uphakamisa amakhono ofunda wezokulingisa wabantu abatsha eMpumalanga. Emtatweni sikhulumisana nomunye wabalingisi oyingcenye yabasunguli balomdlalo, uDanisile Shabangu, olingisa indima kaCaptain Angel. Danisile, siyakwamukela endabeni zesindebele. Kulilanga labantu abatsha siyazi nisuka kude ngamafilimi wamalimi weMpumalanga ukuthi afumane indawo kezamafilimi. Ungakhe uthome ngokusihlathulela bona nisukaphi nomjindi?
Ngithanda nje ukubingelela abalaleli, ngisize ngithanda ukubonga for leli thuba lokuthi ngikhulume la emsakazweni. Nje umfundi uqale sabe sesiyaqala-ke mina ngaqala ngabajwayela nga-2019. Emva kwaloko-ke sabe sesiyaqala futhi lokuze seniyibe ku-SABC 1.
Aha-ke, ithuba elifana naleli litsho ukuthini kini?
Ithuba leli njengaleli sijabulile kakhulu ngobe akusekho lesiyitayile ngalana esifuna kubunjindini indzawo ledinga kubonkomazi inari. Angithi iMpumalanga as a whole i-talent leyendekisi nabo ngoba kade saqala njengani nje ema-arts ngawaqala kudala, ngaqala kusondela i-club dala besithi sketch. Kusho likhulu kithi ukuthi at the end sibona sikuphi siku-SABC and it means a lot.
Mhlawumbe lingangani isekelo enilifumene kuhulumende weMpumalanga ekuphakamiseni iflaga yesifunda?
Angeke ngikhulume kangako, ngikhulumele-ke kulona isekelo leMpumalanga njengoba usho. But ngiyethemba nyalo njengoba kube khona abantu labasichathako njengabo Babela Sikhoza, may he soul rest in peace, Mncedisi Shabangu, kodwa abantu lebe bakhambisa ema-workshop since 2015 to 2019 nange-pandemic mashooter basinceda. I think i-art manje ngesikhathi la funa babone khona ukuthi we bringing something to the table and ngila funa basincede khona angizobakhulumela as much, but I think lokuthi siqale kwenta something ngila mhlambe bathe bakhona nelifondle lokuthi basincedise basamukele babone ukuthi iMpumalanga inalo ithuba.
Njengoba nasikhuthaza njengoba kulilanga labantu abatsha namhlanje, ungabakhuthaza uthini abantu abatsha?
Engabakhuthaza ukuthi bangagivathi kuke emaphupho abo. I-platform ikhona, emathuba akhona, adinga i-head start. Asengibekise bekunesikhathi mina la when I wanted ukuthi ngigivathe. Bese-ke njenge-director yami Babela Sikhoza wathi angeke uzigivathe nyalo singakaboni ukuthi kukhanya siyovela kuphi. Ngibonga nje as far as kuvela ku-SABC kithi kusho info leningi. So bangagivathi kade saqala mina I think bengina-15 years mangicala kusondela i-club yala elokishini ebhasini baya yathi ngaya ngayo-acta bambonga ingema but azange ngayadini until kwafika umjini 2019 kini as much as iqale 2015 kukhona labaqale before mina but lokhu kusho lokuningi kini.
Danisile, siyakuthokoza isikhathi sakho. Loyo-ke bekunguDanisile Shabangu olingisa indawo kaCaptain Angel emdlalweni kamabonakude umjindi odlala ku-SABC 1 qobe ngosono nge-iri lobunane, ebusuku ubuyelele qobe ngelesine nge-iri lechumi. Ekhasini leFacebook lethu leFacebook sibuzile bona uthini umbono wakho ngokuzithuthukisa kwelutsha njengomana abantu abatsha sebabalekela ekuzithumeleni amabhizinisi. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Yebo nabaqinisile imbereko vela yikho mara babe namakhono nje kufunakala amakhono.
Ufundile awafundanga ukuthola umsebenzi kunzima nje eSouth Africa.
Usivulela ibhizinisi yakho khona ukuthenga ipuku. Ngoba la ekhaya umsebenzi itololo.
Benza kahle basithuthukise bavula amabhizinisi wabo ngoba vela amathuba omsebenzi mancane.
Kubotshwe indoda iminyaka emachumi amathathu nambili ubudala ngezwa ngobatshoyo ukudumuza ibulale abantu abane bomzimunye omunye walimala emkhondo eMpumalanga. Indaba le ifakazelwa umkhulumeli wamapholisa eMpumalanga uColonel Donald Mdluli.
Indvodza lena 32 weminyaka iboshwe amaphoyisa ePiet Retief idolo mhla ka-15 June emva kwetinsolo ukuthi le ndvodza ihlasele emndeni wayo ya dubla abantu labasihlanu bemndeni kwashona gogo lona 71 weminyaka omunye una 3 lomunye una 5 kanti lomunye yena una 10 weminyaka usesi lona 22 weminyaka yena ulimele kuleso sigameko kepha ke akashoni lesikhathi amaphoyisa abopha lendvodza bamthole nesibhamu lesola ukuthi ke ngayinteka ukuthi sisetshenziswe kulesigameko utawuvela ecourt ePiet Retief ngomsombuluko mhla ka-19 June.
Kanti nemkhakheni webholo eragwako liqhakathekile ilanga lanamhlanje nakibo. Omunye wenkutani zalokhaze Orlando Pirates uHappy Jele ulemukisa abantu abatsha ukuthi basebenze ngamandla ukuthuthukisa amakhono ofunda wabo ukuze nesizukulwana esizako sizokuzuza ngabo.
Happy Jele ngulomunye wabadlali labadlali esikhathi lesidze ku Premier Soccer League eNingizimu Afrika. Lo mdlali lowatalwa eMhluzi eMiddelburg eMpumalanga uthi luhambo lwakhe aluzange ke lube melula kusukela asafunze primary kwaya esecondary.
Walter Stars yiyo yahlanganisa almost izinto eziningi ukuxhumana namanye ama-team ukuthi silale nawo. After lapho ngathola amathuba ukuthi ngizodlala kuPirate.
Kwala kancane ke ukuthi lo akajele abonakala gijima kuKaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs came. I went for trials there. Then Pirate came.
Ngemuva kweminyaka lembalwa akumagebhula Jele wabonakala phakamisa sicoco njengoba besadlala netihlabani kuleli cembu lesibala kuto naBenny McCarthy. Kepha ke lo wakajele uthi kukhethwa abalandzeli kuthi kube nguwe lodlalako kumcuzelwano eCullen Black Label uthi bekuba yinvo lenhle kakhulu uve nenhlitiyo shayatiki.
Njalo bakufika eCullen Black Label bengithuka kancane but ngithi I wonder last season ngidlale kanjani but kodwa bakufaka uyazi ukuthi kushuthi isizini yakho lephelile bawusebenza kahle.
Njengoba iNingizimu Afrika ibungata lilanga lelusha lomuhla Jele uthi
you have to respect people, you have to work more harder, do some extra training on your own, pray a lot, pray, don't be ashamed to pray.
Lo akajele nguye ke lodlala imidlalo leminyende kakhulu kuOrlando Pirates. Mina ke ngumduduzi Ndlovu led Tindzaba SABC ngiseJozi.
Niliqedelele kamnandi ilanga lelutsha nisale kuhle.